Staying active as you age is one of the most powerful ways to maintain your health, mobility, and independence. However, as our bodies change, so do our fitness needs. Not all exercises are suitable for seniors. Some can even lead to injury. The good news, there are plenty of safe, effective workouts that can boost strength, flexibility, balance, and overall well-being. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore why exercise is crucial for seniors, the 7 best exercises for older adults, movements to avoid, tips for staying safe while working out. Whether you're just starting or looking to switch up your routine, these exercises will help you stay strong, mobile, and full of energy. Why exercise matters for seniors. As we age, our bodies naturally undergo changes, including loss of muscle mass, sarcopenia, decreased bone density, osteoporosis risk, reduced flexibility and joint mobility, slower metabolism and circulation. Regular physical activity can slow down these changes and even reverse some effects. Here's how exercise benefits older adults. 1. Improves balance and prevents falls. Falls are a leading cause of injury among seniors. Strengthening muscles and improving coordination reduces fall risk significantly. 2. Boosts heart health. Cardiovascular exercise like walking or swimming keeps the heart strong, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart disease. 3. Enhances mobility and independence. Staying active makes daily tasks, like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or getting up from a chair, easier. 4. Supports mental health. Exercise releases endorphins, which reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It also improves cognitive function and may lower dementia risk. 5. Strengthens bones. Weight-bearing exercises, like walking or light strength training, help prevent osteoporosis by maintaining bone density. Now let's dive into the best exercises for seniors. Low impact, effective, and safe. 7 best exercises for seniors. 1. Chair yoga. Why it's great. Yoga improves flexibility, balance, and strength, but traditional poses can be tough on joints. Chair yoga offers the same benefits with added support. Best moves to try. Seated cat-cow stretch, improves spine mobility. Overhead stretch, relieves shoulder tension. Seated forward bend, gently stretches hamstrings. Bonus, chair yoga also reduces stress and promotes relaxation. 2. Walking. Why it's great. One of the simplest yet most effective exercises. It strengthens the heart, supports joint health, and can be done anywhere. Tips for seniors. Start with 10 to 15-minute walks and gradually increase. Use a walking stick or cane if needed for stability. Walk with a friend for motivation and safety. Pro tip. If outdoor walking is difficult, try walking laps inside your home or a shopping mall. 3. Tai Chi. Why it's great. Often called meditation in motion, Tai Chi improves balance, coordination, and mental clarity with slow, flowing movements. Benefits: reduces fall risk, eases arthritis pain, lowers stress. Beginner-friendly moves: cloud hands, gentle weight shifting, wave hands like clouds, promotes relaxation. 4. Water aerobics and swimming. Why it's great. Water workouts are joint-friendly. The buoyancy reduces impact, while resistance strengthens muscles. Best exercises. Water walking. Improves endurance. Leg lifts. Strengthens core and hips. Arm curls. Tones upper body without weights. Perfect for arthritis, joint pain, or post-surgery recovery. 5. Strength training. Light weights. Resistance bands. Why it's great. Muscle loss accelerates with age, but light strength training combats this, keeping you strong and independent. Safe exercises. Bicep curls, use light dumbbells or resistance bands. Seated leg extensions, strengthens thighs. Wall push-ups, builds upper body strength safely. Avoid heavy weights or complex lifts like deadlifts. 6. Pilates. Why it's great. Pilates focuses on core strength, posture, and flexibility, key for preventing back pain and improving stability. Beginner moves. pelvic tilts, strengthens lower back. Seated side bends, improves flexibility. Modification, use a Pilates ball for extra support. 7. Cycling, stationary or recumbent bike. Why it's great. Cycling is low impact and great for cardiovascular health. A recumbent bike offers back support for those with joint issues. Tips. Start with 10-minute sessions. Adjust resistance gradually. Exercises seniors should avoid. While staying active is crucial, some exercises pose high injury risk for older adults. Steer clear of high-impact running, hard on knees and hips. Opt for walking or swimming instead. Heavy weightlifting can strain joints. Stick to light resistance. Sit-ups and crunches may hurt the spine. Try gentle core exercises instead. Deep squats or lunges. Risk of knee injury. Modify with chair squats. Upright rows can cause shoulder strain. Final tips for safe senior workouts. Warm up and cool down. Prevents muscle strain. Stay hydrated. Older adults dehydrate faster. Listen to your body. Stop if you feel pain or dizziness. Consult a doctor, especially if you have heart issues or osteoporosis. Conclusion. You're never too old to start moving. These 7 senior-friendly exercises will help you stay strong, flexible, and full of energy without risking injury. Remember, even 10 minutes a day makes a difference. What's your favorite way to stay active? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend or family member. Disclaimer: always consult with a healthcare provider before starting a new exercise routine. This guide is for informational purposes only.